Alright, I think I'm live now. I'm gonna go full screen. We have a tornado going into Hazleton. I'm not sure if it's still on the ground here. Oh, it definitely is. I see it. We've got a tornado hitting Hazleton directly right now. I'm not sure where it's at. I might place a probe down. I'm not sure. I think it's lifted. Nope, it's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Oh boy. Oh boy. I got out the wrong time. I couldn't tell where it's at. It's so dark. What is my probe getting? I'm like floating around. What is happening? Is it like... I don't know what's happening. It's in Hazleton. Oh boy, we have a new storm developing actually right behind it. So Hazleton might get hit back to back by a significant tornado. We're gonna reset here because I don't know what's going on with my character. Hazleton doesn't seem like it's experiencing any type of devastation or damage right now as we speak. So I'm going to respawn. Hopefully it respawns me back in Hazleton. I hope it does. I think it did, right? It should have. Yes, I am spawned back in Hazleton. But right where the National Weather Service is. Okay, good to know. Because there is a significant tornado that's about to hit, actually. Also, we have a high risk for today. 3,000 joules per kilogram. P-Watt is at 0.7 inches, so that means there's not going to be that much precipitation around the storm. So it could be a low P supercell. Surface HR is 76%, and 700 to 500 millibar HRs, 30%, which is okay. It's okay. It's pretty decent actually. SRH values is 487 meso 2 for square 2, I think is what it says. I probably said that wrong, but that's your wind shear, I'm assuming, right here. Your wind shear is actually pretty high. 36 kilometer elapsed rate is 7.4. I forgot, was that centimeters? I don't think so. I don't think it's centimeters. What am I talking about? I don't know what I'm talking about. But what I am going to do is I'm going to spawn my car because there is a tornado heading close this way. So we're going to spawn my truck. But basically, oops, press the wrong thing again. Basically, what's about to happen here is that there's a significant tornado outbreak about to unfold here pretty soon. So that's something to keep in mind about. Let me make sure I'm actually live and I'm not talking to myself here. I am. What's good, everybody? What's good, everybody? Get everything set up for the stream. I also have a drone, by the way, so now we can see the tornadoes if we wanted to. I am at the Storm Prediction Center or National Weather Service, so I am in a pretty better position actually than what I was before. That's another significant tornado. There's a lot of storm chases on that one too. I've unfortunately, I might go, okay, so I'm over here, so I might dive down to here. If I intercept this thing, I'm going to intercept it right on this road. I'm in a perfect position actually. This is the most perfect position you can be in for this storm. So we're going to get out of here. Because I'm in a really good position for this storm, which is good. I know I did stream at like 12 a.m. I know. Don't worry. The stream will be way earlier tomorrow. Don't worry. Yeah, that tornado had died out. It didn't do much to Hazleton at all, for rough. If I'm being honest with you guys. It lifted pretty quickly. on the southern part of Hazleton. Maybe a little bit of damage there, but nothing too significant. This storm, on the other hand, could be a different story. Yeah, this could be significant. It's already a yellow TDS signature right there. I'll be on mute here for just a second. There is 100% a big time, possibly even violent tornado on the ground here. I'll be on mute here for just a second. Oops. All right, I'm back. I had to go on mute for a second. Okay, we're gonna try to intercept this storm. I might turn on this road. If we can't turn on this road, right, I'm gonna stop the car for a little bit. This is 100% a significant tornado. Now, I could go all the way down to Highway 61 and possibly intercept this thing, but I think that would be too late for that to happen. If we do go down, we're gonna have to come back up through here and intercept it all the way back up to the top left, or to north of Funkley, actually. I mean, if you guys, I'm gonna risk it. I actually do want to see the tornado. Like I said, this is not. It's not gonna be a big bummer if I miss this storm or not. You know, like it's not gonna be a big bummer. It's an average enhancers. There it is, right there. So we are going towards a tornado as we speak right now. Nothing too significant. It is a big time tornado though, so definitely take this seriously. Yeah, there's a lot of storm chasers right there. It's actually expanding up to the north, so I might be able to intercept this thing just in time. Yeah, look at that. Lightning is illuminating it, which is pretty good. I need that to happen, actually. Because I will not be able to see this thing at all. Is it lifting? It might be lifting, guys. I'm gonna slow down. It possibly could be lifting. Okay, yeah, so we are in a really good position right now. So if this does actually... Vinny won't be here. Yeah, it's too late. I don't think Vinny is going to be here. I'll be here tomorrow, early tomorrow, though. Don't worry, guys. I know the stream's real late. I had to make it late because I was doing other things. Like I said, I posted that video for you guys. I don't know if you guys saw that video. That video was quite interesting. I witnessed my first EF5 in this game. I'm actually gonna go back up north here. I'm talking to myself. Hey, it's alright, bro. I'm here. I'm talking to the chat. Yeah, storm chasers are going up north. Soon I am going to abandon the storm and go back to Prior Lake because I feel like Prior Lake could be the better option to chase at. So there's a storm chaser right there. The sun is actually coming up a little bit. I don't see a funnel cloud anymore with this storm. So I'm probably going to go up to the north and then turn west. There's still a rotating wall cloud and a mesocyclone with this though. So definitely keep that in mind about that. I am going to turn on this road up here in a second. There we go. Maybe we can get one interception before this thing actually goes off the screen of the map. Like I said, it's not strengthening nor is it weakening too much. Like, it's weakening, but not weakening significantly. I'm only gonna follow it for a little bit longer. Actually, if I don't see any like development with this storm, I'm just gonna abandon it. I think that's what some people are doing. They're going back to I might go back to Prior Lake because I think there's gonna be a better chance of a tornado outbreak that we're gonna witness here. Yeah, it's not really impressive. It's not impressive, really. I'm gonna back it up here. Was that a power flash? I don't think so. I think that was just lightning. It's not impressive to me. I don't think we can. I wouldn't really care for it, honestly. So I also got to show you guys something too. All right, I can't stay no longer. So see you tomorrow. Okay, see ya. Thanks for joining the stream. YouTube Premium, yes, YouTube Premium definitely works. But I can be a emergency management now. So now I can go to EMS, pull this truck up, go to ambulance, boom, bada bing, boom. Look at that. So now I have the ambulance, and I can help people now after tornadoes. So after, you know, any significant tornadoes, I can help them. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna see if anybody needs help in Hazleton, because it did go close to Hazleton, and I want to see if there's any damage there, because the sun is coming up, and we will be able to see if it did significant damage or not to Hazleton. So let's go there. Which I don't think it did any damage, in my opinion. I think it was just there, I guess. I mean, it was there, and then it lifted, and then that's it. Nothing else happened. So we're still gonna check on people though, just in case if people actually did get hurt from the storm. 'Cause I think I'm the only emergency management person in here. I'm driving on the wrong side of the road too. I'm not going to use the sirens because the sirens are like really loud, so I'm not going to use them. Let's see, are there chasers here? There might be chasers here actually. I think there are chasers here. I'm actually going to turn down here because I think there were some houses that could have been impacted down here. So let's check that out. Any damage anywhere? I don't see damage. It lifted right before it hit Hazleton, which is, I guess, good, honestly. So there's nobody to really help out there. Like I said, it really lifted like significantly after or before it hit Hazleton. So that's good on that. But yeah, we're gonna go back to Prior Lake because, like I said, there's a high risk. Temperature 71, dew point is 63. Storm motion today will be going up northeast at 56 miles an hour at a 42-degree angle. So, or 42-degree descent. I'm driving all crazy right now. I'm trying to look at the, yeah, the SRH values are like really significant with this actually. It's actually pretty high. And then the Cape values is also really high as well. These are going to be some real destructive tornadoes if you ask me. I think these tornadoes today are going to produce some very strong, I guess maybe even EF4, EF5 possibly type tornadoes. I can't say that for certain because, you know, some days could be a bust. But it looks like it. It really does look like it. So I do think that storm is going to, or not that storm, like these storms today are going to like blow up and start producing significant tornadoes. Messiah, my stomach hurts. If you drive into the tornado, I'll feel better. Nice one. Hey man, just take some Pepto or something, you know. Maybe that should help you out. But yeah, we're gonna pull in here to Prior Lake because we're gonna just chill here. Let's see here. Hey, I've just crashed already. Drive into the tornado. Y'all really want me to drive into the tornado so badly. Wow. As much as I want to, it's gonna damage my car. If I get the so alright, I will be able to drive into a tornado, right? Once I get one of these, if I get one of these vehicles right here, I'll be able to drive into one of the tornadoes. Alright? I'm almost there. I'm halfway there already. As you can see, I'm halfway there. Drive into the tornado and I'll send 20 cents. Interesting, 20 cents. Will it be enough to, I don't think it's gonna be enough to afford the National Weather Service. I don't know, man. No, but on the funny side though, this guy's trying to kidnap me. We're gonna turn back to Storm Chaser. And we're gonna spawn our storm chasing vehicle. There's nowhere to park, so we're just going to yeah, we're gonna park right here. This could be a parking spot, honestly. So we will sit and we will wait for these storms to start developing. Like I said, this is a very high risk day. As you can see, it says high risk. Whenever you get a high risk, there is a pretty decent chance you would get a pretty significant tornado. And just looking at it, the significant tornado parameter is a 7 out of 10. That's pretty significant. And the violent tornado parameter is on a 2. Which is actually relatively high. It doesn't seem high, but it really is high. So, do expect a violent tornado or two to appear. Maybe somewhere down here, because the storm motion today is moving northeast. Yeah, so that's gonna be moving northeast. So they're probably gonna spawn around here somewhere to the west and start moving to the east. Or maybe it does something weird and spawns over here and moves up there. I don't know. You never know. These storms are interesting. Also, the storm chasing crew is they're all gathering up in Prior Lake, which is the hot spot. As you can see, there's a bunch of storm chasers over here. And we are waiting for the tornado to come. So, as we're waiting, I'm going to turn off my engine. I don't know if that's wasting gas or not, but we're going to turn it off. I also want to show you guys something cool too, actually. Let me turn it back on so it doesn't disappear. Look what I have! I have a drone! I bought this today. Oh, you can look all the way down. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see this right now? So you can get a sky view now of the damage that these storms can do. I mean, look at that. Spectator mode? No, literally. It literally is spectator mode. But yeah, you can, I was using this actually, before I started streaming. It's really good. Like, it's really good for like photos and stuff. Like, you can zoom in too. Look at that. So if there's like a violent tornado happening, you can zoom in. Like, oh, you can zoom in real far too. Wow. Look at that. You can zoom in. You can zoom in pretty far from it. You can look up, down. I mean, yeah, look, you can see the storm chasers are all right there. Look at that. These are all the storm chasers over there. So that's really cool that you can do that. I'm going to dive down here. Okay, don't crash now. Look at that. Look at that view. Hopefully I don't crash. This is the view. This is all the storm chasers. And we are ready for this high risk today. I surely am. Now, I'm going to buy another Dorothy, actually. I do want another Dorothy. I am saving up to get, well, like I said, one of the Dominator ones or TIV. Either or. The TIV actually can withstand stronger winds than the Dominator, which is 150 to 175 mile per hour winds. The Dominator can only withstand 140 to 170 mile per hour winds, which isn't a huge, you know, difference. I mean, the 150, yeah. I mean, it's a difference, yeah, but it's not a huge difference. What's faster? The deployment speed on this is way slower, though, so... actually, I think the Dominator is better. The Dominator is better. I will get the Dominator, actually. It is better than the TIV, or TIV, is what some storm chasers call it. Yes, I'm not wearing my Godzilla stuff, I know. I'll put it back on later. I know some of you guys are noticing that, but yes, I'm not wearing Godzilla no more. Not right now, at least. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that I do have a drone now, and if there is a significant tornado, we will have a view of it. A pretty good view as well, actually. So I'm thinking the like I said, the first storm initiation is probably going to pop up down here, maybe near Hibbing, and it's going to start moving to the north and east just like that towards Prior Lake. So we are in a pretty good position, actually. I think he's starting to come down too. There's multiple storm chasers up there in Hazleton getting their cars repaired. You got storm chasers coming from the left and right. They're coming from everywhere. They're all gathering in this one area, ready to chase. Actually, speaking of ready to chase, I'm going to, well, I also forgot to get a Dorothy. Let me get Dorothy real quick. I think I might get a camera probe. Nah, we're gonna get a Dorothy. Why not? Let's get a Dorothy. So we got ourselves a Dorothy. We're gonna go in here, buy us some gas, get some a flashlight, because we're gonna need a flashlight for the search and rescue if a violent tornado does impact an area with a bunch of people there. So, like I said, we will be ready for that. The search and rescue team. We are still waiting on the first storm initiation. Right now, the time is 10:40 a.m. So in about, I say, give it like 1 minute, and we should see our first storm pop up here. Because everybody's just waiting. Yeah, this is a big day. For those of you that are just joining right now, this is a big day. We got a high risk, and next day is gonna be a moderate risk. So we got 2 big days ahead of us right now. And as you can see, every storm chaser in the entire game is crowding in Prior Lake right now, in the Prior Lake gas station. Look at that. Look at all these Dominators and TIVs. Everyone's prepared. Well, look how bro is walking. Who does this guy think he is, bro? Bro is jaywalking. Don't see a storm yet. As soon as we see like a little itty bitty precipitation area, we're leaving right away. We're gonna get in position because any storm today can basically just drop a huge tornado. It's kind of crazy. We still don't have storm initiation yet. But if you guys are just joining in now, you want to see the thermodynamics. This is your thermodynamics right here. And your significant tornado parameter, which means STP right here, under composites, is a 7 out of 10. And the violent tornado parameter is a 2. That's still pretty high, though, for a violent tornado parameter. It's still pretty decent. Make sure I don't see a storm yet. You also have 3,000 joules per kilogram. And 0 to 3 kilometer lapse rates is 6 to 9. I think that's I forgot what that C means, but I know that's kilometers. So I have to do more research on reading this. I basically know everything except for like a couple of things, but I know most of the stuff. Also, the precipitation is not going to be a big problem today. It's going to be actually photogenic possibly. That's interesting to think about. Yep, there we go. We have storm initiation, so we are leaving. Start the car up. We are going. We have storms. Yep, everybody's leaving. Everybody's leaving. Literally everybody's leaving, bro. So we are on this storm. We have a storm developing. This is going to quickly drop a tornado probably. So we are going to stay weather aware on this one. Yeah. We might get on this road right here and go up to the north because I think it's moving northeast like that. Like how the path trajectory is. So we do have a storm forming right now. We are on this. Let's see here. Yeah, we're gonna turn on this road right here. This is the better road to turn on because if you can see the path of this thing, yeah, it's gonna start forming a hook actually. I might stop in the middle of the road right here. Yeah, I'm gonna stop real quick. Because I feel like we should wait a second and wait for the hook to start developing. That's why these guys stayed put. I think these guys stayed put because they know this storm is going to start developing a hook. Kind of like this. So if this does develop a hook, this might go straight into Prior Lake. So we got to watch that carefully. Yeah, I'm starting to blow up a lot more. Like I said, I'm going to pull over the side of the road. I'm not going to go any further because I feel like this thing is going to expand a lot more. But we do have a supercell thunderstorm developing, and there's your hook starting to form. I'm actually going to go back. Because I think this is going to form a hook, and I think that one roadway is going to be the best roadway to go to. So we're going this way. I don't see, yeah, not much people are noticing it. I'm noticing it right away. I'm turning around because I think this is going to, yeah, they're turning around too. I noticed that right away. Starting to develop a hook a little bit. Whenever you get a hook, you get your tornado. So, I think they're turning around. No, they're not actually. I'm surprised. We're going to go back to Prior Lake. We're going to take that one road that goes up to Hazleton and see if we can catch anything. Right now we have a wall cloud maybe. I'm not sure if that's a wall cloud. Maybe a mesocyclone. Yeah, your hook is starting to get a lot more prominent here. Yeah, we're definitely going back to Prior Lake. Prior Lake is definitely the spot to go. But yeah, we're going to go up there. We're going to see what's going on with this. By the time you get up on that road, it should develop a hook and it should start developing a wall cloud and maybe a mesocyclone. So, that's something to keep in mind about. Alright. Yep, starting to develop that hook signature. There's your, okay, we have a mesocyclone and a wall cloud now. You have a rotating wall cloud, so this is going to start developing a tornado real soon. So we might have our first tornado on our hands here of the day. Yeah, there's a little bit of a hook signature right there. I think I'm going to turn on this road maybe. I'm not sure. Or I might go all the way up here and turn. Because it is starting to rotate. I can't see too well, but it is starting to rotate. So if you guys are just joining in right now, there is a, yep, there it is. We have a funnel cloud now. There is a tornado starting to develop now. Drive into the tornado. I'm not doing it today. I can't. I don't have a Dominator, so I'm not going to do it. Yeah, somebody just reported the funnel cloud. I'm going to go up a little bit further up to the north. Because I think this will drop a significant tornado, actually. This actually might drop a real big-time tornado. Yep, there's a tornado warning. Oh, yeah, look at that funnel. This might drop a huge tornado, actually, now that I think about it. This looks pretty significant. If you guys are just tuning in right now, we have a high risk. We have a funnel cloud developing. We're actually going to slow down here and turn. This might be the best road to go to. Right here. Yep, we have a tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground right now. That is down on the ground. Okay. We have a tornado on the ground, chat. I'm going to park my car up here and we're going to see if we can get a drone view of this since we're further up ahead. Yeah, there's already storm chasers actually positioned right where the tornado would go. You're in Almora, I think. Yeah, this is going to produce a strong tornado probably, so we're gonna park it here. Alright, we're taking off with the drone. We're going to see how this thing looks. I'm not going to go too far, because if I go too far, it will mess up my, drone. Yep, it's getting blurry. I'm going to back up. Yep, there we go. That's a perfect view of the tornado. If you make it down to that dirt road, we could possibly intercept this thing. Let me see where we are. We are right here. So if you make it down here, we could be able to intercept this thing pretty quickly, actually. But that's a dropping on the ground right now. Yeah, everybody's on this. We're just waiting for this thing to actually drop completely. Because it's on the ground for sure, but the entire funnel isn't. I think it's dropping now. Alright, yep. Storm chasers are moving. So I'm going to start moving. Okay, we sure got it, yep. They're going to intercept it. I'm going to wait to intercept it. I'm going to go on this road right here. Multiple vortex tornado, I think, too. This might be a multiple vortex tornado. This road is going to curve into it, too. Wow. Yeah, definitely a multiple vortex. We're going to chase this one for a while. I can already see it. I'm going to put the probes down right here. Wow, look, this might be a monster tornado, chat. Look at this. Multiple vortex. Yep, my probes are getting 92 miles an hour right there. Oh, there it is. This is going to become a large wedge, violent tornado, guys. Look at that. Huge tornado about to develop right here. 103 miles an hour, 110, I'm assuming. Yep, 112 mile an hour winds. Alright, 120. This is like an EF2, I'm pretty sure. It's an EF2 tornado. It's going up even more. Went up to 130 miles an hour. 135 miles an hour. Strong tornado in our hands right here. We got a strong tornado. Still a multiple vortex. Multiple vortices in this thing. Oh, we're gonna slow down. We're gonna slow down. We're too close to it. Is that a car? That's a car. Oh my goodness. There's a car in here. We still can't get close to the probes because the probes are still reading over 100 mile per hour winds with this. So we gotta be patient with this. This is a long track and violent tornado that we're about to witness here. I'm still, yeah, the probes is still getting up to 100 miles an hour. Okay, now it's not. Okay, so we are going to get our probes now. We should be cool. Alright, there should be another road network where I can intercept this thing from. Okay, so, yeah, this is a very strong tornado on the ground. Everybody's going to Haram, so we're going to go there. Or Haram. This might hit Haram, so we're going to go over there and we're going to see how this is going to go. Still a large, multiple vortex tornado about to touch the ground here. This is a strong tornado, y'all. Very strong tornado on the ground. Look at that. Look at those vortices. They're going nuts right now. We also have another supercell thunderstorm developing to our east. So we're going to go through there. Yeah, this is dropping. Power flashes. We got cars inside the tornado. Multiple cars inside the tornado, actually. Multiple cars inside this tornado. We're going to have to wait it out. This is a large, violent wedge tornado. There's so many cars in there. We got power flashes like crazy. Look at those power flashes. Yeah, this is going to be on the ground real soon. Look at that. That's a wedge right there about to form. Multiple cars inside this tornado. We have a tornado emergency now. A tornado emergency for Nateville. So this is now a tornado emergency. I can't get closer to it. It's going to suck me in. We have to get around this. Yeah, this car is getting sucked in. Alright, yeah, that's on the ground. That's on the ground. Okay, we're going to back up. And we're going to go down to Helma, maybe. But that might be too far. I think that's the best option we can do, though. Yeah, this is going to hit Nateville head on. I'm getting... This is like 100 mile an hour winds outside of the tornado, y'all. This is about to be one of the craziest. Oh boy, yeah. I'm seeing debris getting lofted right now. So we're definitely going to go. That's a large tornado. Holy moly. We're going to find another path, which is over here. This is going to be another pathway right here. Yeah, that's down. That's down. There's even more. Look at the cars. There's cars being sucked into it. That's what I'm saying. That's not safe. There's cars being sucked into the tornado. So we are definitely going to pick a different route. It's still a multiple vortex tornado. So let's check the, yeah, Nateville's gonna get hit head on here. This is a strong tornado. Yeah, we're gonna go down to Helma and we're gonna go up and cross the bridge, hopefully. Up, oops. I won't be surprised if there's 190 mile per hour winds with this. 200 plus, they're saying. 200 plus, 221 mile per hour winds. So EF5. This might be an EF5 actually. This might be an EF5 tornado. That's not a road we should go on. That thing's gonna be massive. We have another tornado warning. There's another tornado near Viroqua that could possibly spawn too. Either we go for the Nateville storm or the Viroqua storm. To get out of this rain, we're gonna have to take this road. This is the best option. Because we could have a view or a visual of both tornadoes, and that might be a monster now. Still a multiple vortex, but it's not on fully on the ground yet. Oh, I think we have another tornado. Yeah, we got another. We have 2 tornadoes on the ground. 2 of them. Yep, it's fully on the ground. It's fully on the ground now. We have a fully on the ground tornado. This one is trying to touch down. Yeah, that's on the ground. Look at that. That's a large, violent tornado on the ground right there. Oh boy. Yeah, we're not going after that. We're going after this one. This is the one right here. Hopefully I don't get sucked into it. I shouldn't get sucked into it from this range. Hopefully. Oh man, Nateville just got slammed. Oh, there's people that need help. Okay, there's people that definitely need help right here. But Nateville got slammed. Oh my god, it's... Everything is freaking... It's gone. It's gone. Everything is going to Nateville. Everything is going to Nateville. Houses are wiped clean from its foundations. I'm gonna get sucked in here. Yep. Okay. Yep. You guys got what you wished for. Okay. I didn't think it was gonna be that strong. Okay. The tornado is sucking me in. Yep. We are cooked. We are cooked. Oh boy. I didn't think it was gonna be that strong. Definitely 200 plus mile per hour winds. Oh boy. Yep. We're in it. We're in it. Yikes. We are in the tornado. We are 100% dead. Oh boy. Yep. That's why I didn't want to get sucked into it, because that would happen. Please respawn me somewhere nice. They spawned me behind it, I think. We're gonna switch over to emergency management now. Because Nateville just got slammed, like, really badly. So we are gonna take the we're gonna take the truck here. What's happening here? I tried to intercept the... Alright, here we are. We're in Nateville, I think. Yeah, Nateville just got swept clean. There it is. That's a tornado right there. So we are going to help people in Nateville. Oh, we have multiple fatalities now. Okay. Yeah, multiple fatalities. We have 2 fatalities right now. That deserves an EF5 ranking right there. Look at this damage. Am I helping him? I think I'm helping him. Yeah, that deserves an EF5 ranking right there. Look at this. Look at this damage. We need to turn on those lights. Alright. Yeah, this definitely deserves like an EF4, EF5 ranking. Those houses are swept clean. That was anchored homes too. Are they? I think they're anchored. Yeah. We have 2 more fatalities, so that, or 1 more fatality. No, 2. Sorry, So that's 4 fatalities in Nateville. That's 4 fatalities. Oh, we have 5 fatalities now. How was he doing that? He's healing them. How do you heal the... I'm pressing E. Yeah. It's not working for me for some reason. I'm trying to heal them, but it's not working. It's fine. Holy moly. Big time damage in Nateville, though. Big time damage. We have trees debarked too as well. Alright. Let's check on these storms now. Let's see what's going on with this. We have another tornado emergency. Look at this. We have 3 supercells back to back to back here. All producing violent tornadoes. I think I might go straight down. Yeah, I'm going to go straight down here. I'm going to go straight down here. Yeah, E of 5 damage. It ripped the whole house off its foundation. Yeah, it literally did. So that's definitely E of 5 damage right there. I can't rate it. I don't have the National Weather Service thing. But I do have the, those are my probes. I don't know if those are my probes or not. But I do have EMS though. And we're going to race down to the south to see what's going on with these storms. Because these storms look like they're pretty potent. One of them might be dropping the actual monster right now. Yeah. Yeah, you have 1 tornado emergency actually. Yeah, that's on the ground over there. I can see that. I don't know about the other one though. It's kind of dark. I'm gonna use this truck for right now to get to the oh, that might be it. That might be a wedge, a monster wedge actually. This storm is starting to become a more significant tornado as well. Yeah, I can see it right there. Is that a drill bit? What's happening here? Is that more houses leveled? Yeah, more houses are leveled here. Hold on. Oops, I just crashed. More houses just got leveled. We have a tornado nearby, by the way. How do you heal them? It's not healing them for some reason. I don't understand why. Wow, look at this. This home is completely demolished. Alright. We're gonna go back on the road because we have another tornado coming, I think. Yeah. What's going on with this storm? This is going into Viroqua. We might go to that storm. Yeah, we're gonna go into that storm. Because my EMS, the healing thing is not working for some reason. Oh, is this the bridge? This is the bridge right here. Yeah, we gotta go around. That's the bridge right there. Alright, we're skedaddling now. Oh, this is a violent tornado. Yeah, we're going to go for that storm. Everybody's going for that storm. I'm going for that storm. That's a violent tornado on the ground. There it was. Monster tornado on the ground here. I don't know why I spun out here. I hate when that happens. I'm trying to race down to the storm before it gets past this road. There it is, right there. A tornado emergency now. We have a tornado emergency. Significant tornado on the ground over here. There it is again. Alright. Yeah, it's on its way over here. So we're going to switch back to storm chasing mode. Let's get our vehicle out. Yeah, this is one hell of a storm right here. Everybody's preparing right now. It's on its way. It's definitely on its way. Very strong tornado. Oh boy, that's a monster. We have a monster tornado on the ground here, y'all. I think it is heading this way. I'm not for certain. The hook echoes like this. The TVS signature is... Okay, so it is moving to the north and east now. And it's still a tornado emergency. So I'm going to move up here just a little bit. I have two probes. We're going to put multiple of them down. There it is, right there. It's coming. It's coming. Significant tornado on the ground, by the way. Significant tornado on the ground. I'm going to place a probe down, actually. Because I do think this is going to hit the area, yeah. It's going to be moving that way. Are these dirt roads? These are dirt roads right here, yep. It's only a matter of time. Let's get into position here. Yeah, everybody's getting into position. I think this is going to hit here, right here in this spot. It's getting dangerously close now. Oh, man. That is a violent tornado on the ground, bro. That is a significant tornado about to hit. Now we wait. gonna place it over here too. Yep, there it is. We gotta go. We gotta go. It's a violent one. We gotta go. I can hear it. Yep, it's about to hit. It's about to hit. We gotta move away. Move away. It's gonna hit. Oh man, yep. Just waiting for my probes to pick up. Hopefully they do pick up. Hopefully I put them in the right spot. Let's see. TVS is now purple again. Or pink. It's right where the probes are at, so I would assume the probes will pick up in speed, right? I'm hoping it's not lifting. Yeah, people are saying it's weakening. I hope it's not weakening. I really don't. It's right over the probes. No, it's strengthening. It's strengthening. Is it moving right over? It's right there. I just saw it. Are you telling me I didn't get any good? Wow. I got 54 miles an hour. It passed the probes. How? It was right exactly where everybody was at. Did it lift? What's happening here? I'll put 2 more probes down here, yeah. That was disappointing because it missed. I thought it would hit, but it missed. Now it's on to a marginal risk. Yeah, it's still over there. Let's do this. We're going to find a different server, right? We're going to find a different server. Because I'm only going for high risks. That's if my game loads. I'm waiting for my game to load, actually. This game kills my PC. Okay, now we're in. There's a high risk right there. Moderate risk, okay. High risk right there. This is weird. That's a weird risk day. High risk right there. It's only 4 people, and that's a high risk right there. High risk in that one. This is a good one. That's a good server right there. We're gonna join that server. Just in time too. Wow. Wow. And we already got a storm developing. Well, okay then. I mean, if that's the case, let's spawn our vehicle. Where did it just spawn me at? I'm in Harem? I don't want to be here. Why would they put me there? They put me really far. I want to spawn at Prior Lake. It did not give me a chance to spawn. The server feels much smoother too. It's a much smoother server. I actually won't be able to even cross that, so we're gonna keep going straight. Yeah, we have a supercell developing now. Wow, okay. Let's go all the way down to Prior Lake, actually. Yeah, every storm chaser is, like, on this storm right now. We could take this road. Why not? I changed my mind. We're gonna take this road. It's gonna go down here, then I'm gonna go straight down. One way or another, we're gonna intercept this storm. I actually might cross in near Helma, so we can get down and get to the hook echo that's forming. You have a nice storm developing here. Alright, if those of you are just joining right now, we have a moderate risk for 2 days and a high risk for day 3. Moderate risk today, we have almost 2,000 joules per kilogram. Wind shear is actually relatively high today, so that's something to keep in mind about. I'm not going to go through all the parameters and stuff. Y'all can see it on the screen, or y'all see it on the screen. You already know what is about to go down. We have a nice hook echo with this storm near Hibbing. We're going to try to get to that before it drops a tornado. Hoping. Might be a rotating wall cloud forming right there. But we're going to try to get to this storm before it drops a big time tornado, because I think that's what's going to happen today. We actually might be in a perfect position, actually, if we are able to go down to Prior Lake. Oops, I'm off-road. Wow, look at those houses swept clean. Must have been a crazy tornado that happened. Look at that. That's a home swept clean off his foundation. We have a rotating wall cloud up ahead. Better intercept that. We have a nice hook forming as well. I think I'm going to go straight into Prior Lake and then take I-15 down to intercept this tornado. That might be the best case scenario for us, because we can get in a way better position than a lot of people. I think this is I-15 if I'm not assuming right. Oh, this is the gas station. This is not I-15. That's fine though. We can go down here. We have a funnel cloud now. Let's stop it here actually. Let's see, where are we? We are right here. There's a tornado warning for our position. It's a nice supercell actually. Has a nice hook signature. This is moving due east towards us actually. Yeah, and somebody's reporting a funnel. Yeah, it might be a tornado on the ground here. Yep, it is. It's a tornado on the ground here. Question is, where is it going? I think I know where it could be going. I'm watching it. It might be a strong tornado. We actually might be in a good position here. We might not move. I might move here in a second, actually. Oh boy. I think we have a new storm forming right above it, yeah. I might choke it off, maybe? Yeah, this is a new storm developing. This might choke the entire thing off. Or not. Or we could just form a pretty big funnel cloud, like it is right now. I think it's time to get into interception over here. Yeah, that's a pretty long funnel cloud. Look how it's coming down. That is a cylinder, if you ask me. Look at that. Look at that tornado. We're just gonna stop right here. Let's see how this is moving. This is moving towards us, I think. So, yeah, they're about to intercept that. Kudos to them. This is moving straight this way. Yeah, we got power flashes. Look at that. We got a big time tornado on the ground here doing big time damage. It's paralleling the highway, actually. So we might retreat. Yep. We're gonna get on the highway. Got some big hail falling. I think it is gonna hit these houses over here, so I actually might put a probe down right here. Oh boy. Placing one probe down. We're gonna place another probe down here in a moment. It might miss, actually. Is that a multiple vortex right there? Yeah, it's gonna miss. Although, I don't think anybody's mentioning or not even looking at this. There's a new hook developing down below. I might go for that one, yeah. This is lifting. It's lifting. There's a new tornado that's gonna form here. We're gonna get that probe back. We're gonna go down there. A brand new tornado developing right now. Messiah, I have a question. Gigetto or Vegito? I guess Vegito? I'm not sure what you're asking me. I'm gonna just say that. I don't know. Yeah, that storm just gave up on everybody. So we're on this one now. It's pretty far south, but we're going for it. No, Jagita. I don't know what you're asking me, so I just picked a random one. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know what else to say. How do you get a drone? So you get a drone, right? I'm gonna show you guys in just 1 second. We have a tornado right here. So if you want a drone, all you have to do is go over here, go down, and 350 Robux is for the drone. You just click on the Robux icon right here and just scroll down, and then there's your drone. It costs 350 Robux to get, which is pretty cool. But that's how I got the drone. I'm actually about to use it now. Look at that. Oh, we have a new storm developing. Maybe multiple vortex? Not sure. It's pretty strong. It's getting itself together. I think it's shifting its track. We are right here. Yeah. Storm's gonna make a. We're gonna intercept it right here.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a tornado warning for County in north central Keysota, Beltrami County in north central Keysota. National Weather
Yep, we're gonna do that. Drop one right there.
storm capable of producing a tornado near Prior Lake, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour.
Drop it. Drop it.
West for Oklahoma, Helma, Prior Lake.
We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Tornado is in a basement.
It is down. Look at all these storm chasers, chat. Oh boy.
Is available. Seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room.
We're gonna get away from it. Hopefully it intercepts the probes. It's definitely getting stronger for sure. Yeah, look at that. Hopefully it's not making a beeline towards us. It shouldn't be. Let's see what we're getting. We're getting 72 miles an hour on the probes. There we go. Yeah, you might have to back up here. (102 miles per hour). We got ourselves an EF2, I'm pretty sure here. Or EF1 maybe. I don't think it's an EF2. Thank you. You're welcome. Anytime, man. Anytime. We got sustained winds at 97 miles an hour. It's the outer winds of this. Oh, we have the winds going up now. So this is going to be a much stronger tornado, actually. There goes the trees. I'm seeing, is that all satellites or vortices? Might be vortices, I'm not sure. Get winds up to 112 miles per hour. So, it's a pretty decent tornado. 120. Okay, now we are in the EF2 category, I'm pretty sure. We are in the EF2 category. I think our probes took a direct hit from this. Oh wow, that's another big time tornado on the ground with that one. We're gonna stay on this storm. This is our storm right here. That's a big time tornado though. Look at that. It's a nice tornado. Alright, 123, 124, 128. We're getting up to the EF3 category. This is a high end EF2. Well, we are too close to it. We are too close to it. We gotta back. It was way closer than what I thought. Yeah, it's sucking in trees. Oh, we got power flashes. Power flashes. 135. This is definitely an EF3 right here. We got power flashes now. We have debris. We have debris inside the tornado. I'll repeat, we have debris. It is raining debris on us right now. So this is a very strong tornado. 136 miles an hour. Oh, we have houses being sucked into this thing. We have a strong tornado. There we go, power flashes once again. Oh boy. We got a strong tornado here, y'all. We have two very strong and violent tornadoes possibly here. Wow, look at that. Look at the debris this thing is sucking up right now. We could have two violent tornadoes ongoing right now. We're gonna get rid of the probes because I don't think we need them no more. We made over 3,000 each, so that's yeah, we don't need them no more. Let's go back and get another one. Let's get a we can get 3 of these. All right. So we have 2 options here. I would love to chase this storm right here because this is a very photogenic looking tornado. I love how this tornado looks. And I just crashed into the freaking stop sign once again. But this could be the bigger tornado. And I'm stuck. Awesome. Spawn my car, please. Because of course it gets stuck at the wrong time. This is not the right time to get stuck. I am trying to chase. Join you on Roblox? Yeah, you can join me on Roblox. I have my what's it called? I have whatever it's called is on though. You can just join me. That's a nice tornado right there. We might try to intercept that storm or no, we're gonna stay on this storm. We're gonna stay on this storm. It's good to stay on this storm. They're both right next to us, so you know we have 2 options here. We might go for this storm. This is the more destructive storm. Although that one might be doing damage as well near Viroqua. This is the bigger tornado though, so we're gonna intercept this storm. I'm hoping there's a road up here we can use for this. That's a nice elephant trunk though. It's an elephant trunk tornado right there. I'm gonna see with the drone if we have a nice view of the storm so we can try to intercept it. Yeah, I think we might have a area we can try to go to here. Okay, which has the better road network? That's the real question. Helma's about to get hit by this tornado. This is apparently the stronger tornado, so it's a tornado emergency now. We might go for the storm in Helma. They're both very strong tornadoes. That's actually gotten stronger, so we're going to go for the one in Helma. We're going to go for that one. We have another tornado behind us as well. We have multiple tornadoes touching the ground here. And I think the storm chasers are choosing this one too. These 2 are both significant. All 3 of them look like significant tornadoes. Look at that. Take a screenshot of that. 3 big time tornadoes on the ground here. I think we might start deploying here. Look at that curvature in that tornado. Man, these storms, man. Very photogenic tornadoes today that we're getting. Think it's coming right for us. I think so. Not 100% positive. Let's see how it's moving here. This might be coming straight for us. It hit the northern part of Helma, so that's one to keep in mind about. We have another hook signature as well. This is a more violent tornado outbreak than a regular moderate risk, actually. There's about 3 tornadoes, yep. There's a decent amount of tornadoes with this. Maybe we can intercept this storm right here in a moment. Sun's going down here as well. We have another tornado emergency now. We have a tornado emergency. Oh, I think we should definitely go a little bit up more to the north here. Because there's a road that we actually intercept this storm on. So let's see if we can go up here real quick and intercept it. This is definitely making a beeline towards us. And if we have to, we can go back and put the probes down for the other storms as well. So we have two, I think those are Dominators and TIVs or TIVs that are waiting on this storm. We're trying to see, yeah, this one's starting to weaken now. They're both pretty weakened. This is the stronger storm. So we are in the tornado emergency storm. What is the robot's name? You talking? If you're talking about the radio, then I don't know actually. It's just the weather radio. That's gonna be a very strong tornado when it hits, though. It's making a beeline right towards us. Yeah. Oh, they're all strong. They're all getting strong. Here's what we're gonna do here. I'm placing a probe right there. Then we're gonna place a probe up here as well. My body? Where's my character?
Evacuate and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available,
My character! What's going on with my character? No, let's not do this. It's coming. I'm dead. Where's my character? I can't get inside the car. I literally can't get inside the car. Respawn it. Respawn it. Respawn it now. Respawn it now. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Is my game glitched? What's happening? Oh no, my game might be... It might have crashed. Are you serious? No, my game must have crashed. You might have to just reset. Are you serious? Did it have to? Oh my goodness. Don't kick me out, please. My game must have just crashed, and I don't want that to happen because I really was in a good position with this tornado. Yeah, it's not respawning. We're gonna have to leave. This is such a good server, too. It's such a good, like, setup, too. Are you kidding me? Yeah, it's not gonna let me respawn. Oh man, I'm so upset about that. That was messed up. I was in a perfect position for this too. Those are some nice tornadoes. I am very upset about that, but it's okay. We'll just try to find another day just like that. I think that might have been the server I was just in. That's unfortunate. Let's see something here. I am going to end the stream here soon because I do have a video for you guys for this channel actually. Let me show you guys. I'm not showing you guys yet, but like I'm going to pull it up. Are these the same servers? Let me see. They might be the same servers. Yeah, they are. Experience full. Please do have to pick this one. Can you add? I can add. Just send me your username, I can add you. You just send me your username, I'll add you. I play with all my subscribers, so I don't mind it. What's happening? We have hook signatures. I'm almost there to the Dominator, by the way. I can't wait, actually. I'm really close. I'm really close to getting it. I should have it by tomorrow, possibly. I'm actually in the most perfect position for this. I just have to keep going south, honestly. Can you add me? React to the video I sent you on Discord. Before I even react to that, I'm gonna actually I'm gonna look at it on my phone. I'm not gonna pull it up on the screen because I know you're not gonna say anything crazy, but just for safety. Oh, Dragon Ball Z? Okay. That's what you guys were telling me about? Huh. Huh. Interesting. Let me see. Okay, I saw the video, by the way. I'm gonna watch it in a second, actually. I didn't watch it yet, but I see what it is. Also, I'm surprised you're awake. I want to shut Rain Fortnite up. Are y'all arguing about who's better or something? Oh boy. I'm gonna watch the video in a second. Actually, before I end the stream, because I'm in the stream pretty soon. What time is it? Yeah, it's 1:40 a.m. for me. I'm in the stream pretty soon here. Maybe we can intercept one more tornado. I mean, there is a high risk, but this is only a marginal risk day. I don't think anything significant is really going to happen here. Yeah. We do have a tornado, but I'm getting a little tired, you know, so, I mean, I will be live tomorrow and a lot earlier tomorrow, too. So for those of you guys that have, you know, school and stuff tomorrow, don't worry. I know tonight's stream was a very long and late stream, but I'll be live again tomorrow, early tomorrow, actually, like around the afternoon, if not PM hours for you guys. I also will have a video for you guys tomorrow as well. I'll be waking up early and I will be doing that. But before I go, I'm only going to do this one time for you, the Top Hat guy, aka Vinny. I know it's you, Vinny. But this one time, I'm going to react to the video. Don't show me again. Thank you. Let's see. First of all, is it copyright? I don't know if I'm gonna be able to react to it, because if it's somebody's channel, then
This episode is sponsored.
whose channel is this? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I can watch it on video, but it could be copyright. How long? That's too long, Vinny. I mean,
Death Battle.
yeah, I don't know if I'm able to watch it because I will literally get copyright strike. Like, YouTube does not like when I show videos. Like, that goes for any videos or any music or anything like that. That's I'm a little skittish about that. I'm not watching the whole thing either, by the way. I'm tired. You know what? I'm gonna watch it, right? I'm gonna text in a Discord. I'm gonna watch it though. I'm gonna watch it because for right now I do need to end the stream because I do need to charge my headphones because my headphones is gonna die soon. Also, I need to like I said, I need to wake up early tomorrow as well so I can get this video out for you guys. I'll watch it and I will tell you how I feel about it in the Discord chat. So if you're able to stay up, then stay up because I will let you know. But until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching this live stream. If you can, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn those notifications. Yeah, I will catch you guys with the next video tomorrow. We will be playing Storm Chasers. So, till next time, peace out.